besties, the day has come. We are finally making our little home office. I'm partnering with FlexiSpot to tie this whole room together, and they kindly sent over this desk, and I'm so freaking excited to assemble it. So let's just get right into it. Now that we have our little desk set up, now it's time to go to IKEA and just get some remaining office items that I've been eyeing out and that are just on my wish list. So let's have a little fun IKEA run. Got some garlic cod and some Swedish meatballs with some peas and mashed potatoes and a side of mac and cheese. I will not tolerate any IKEA food slander. Cheers. Dang. Joking. my home office setup. Clearly, I still have a lot more decorating to do in regards to the rest of the room. I really want to make it a cozy home office. I'm thinking about adding a little bookcase so I can put my favorite books on it and some trinkets, maybe even a little sofa. And eventually I want to make that closet my PR closet, because I have a lot of PR that I want to kind of showcase and also just organize. So in case I want to do a giveaway in the future or just give some PR to my friends, I want it all in one place and organized by like skincare, makeup, hair care, etc. But this is what I'm working with right now. Eventually I want to put a little art piece over here. I'm kind of thinking of putting a bunch of film photos together in a frame and just hanging it right there so I can see some memories. But yeah, again, thank you so much to FlexiSpot for sending over this beautiful desk. It's literally the desk of my dreams. I'm just already loving this office space so much. So stay tuned for some more home office content. Yeah, this is my little cozy corner for now. And also for the time being, I'm using my boyfriend's office chair. I ordered a white one. I'm kind of loving the contrast of the black with this. So let me know what you think if I should get a black chair instead of a white one. But the white chair is on its way and I'll make sure to show you guys that as well. For now, this is what we're working with. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you again to FlexiSpot for sending over this beautiful desk. Stay tuned for more home office content, and thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, bye.